it was just far easier to avoid the whole database and go to records personnel and say, hey, give me a master name file on this person. So we were really causing the records people to work far more than what the system intended. We couldn't get information from corrections into records to the law enforcement officers. It was very, very difficult to use. We saw that New World did some things very, very well, and we wanted to have an integrated package. And so we looked for what was that best integrated package that would provide us with a system that would work for everybody. We have fire, police, sheriff, corrections, a very big correctional facility. And so we were really looking to be able to get the most data to our officers that we possibly could. We are very pleased with it from a law enforcement standpoint, from a mobile standpoint, from the correctional standpoint, and from the civilian standpoint, the records clerks. We find that we are getting far more information to the end users and believe that the officers out on the street, the correctional officers in the detention centers, are safer because of the amount of data that they are getting. I think what has truly been the game changer is the amount of information that the law enforcement officers are getting through their mobile solution. The officers will run a plate number on the street, and almost instantaneously they will get information on the driver. If the driver has warrants, whether they're valid or not valid. And the feedback that I'm getting from the officer is that that's just spectacular. They're able to pull up a picture of that person. Before, they truly weren't able to get anywhere near the amount of data that they're now getting. So almost instantaneously they have far more information than they had before, and are making their job safer, being able to identify the person that they're interacting with. I hear stories from the captain from the sheriff's department saying his officers are safer now that they have this information. The chief of police with the Kenosha Police Department is saying they have far more functionality than they ever did before, and they're very impressed with it.